So this is your first time in the United States?
Yeah.
Yeah. Do you like it?
산타모니카 해변에서 그 사람들이 미국 사람들은 한국 사람들보다 좀 노출이 심해서 시선 처리가 좀 어려웠어요.
Yeah, it was like he went to Santa Monica, you know, and like the people are like a little more exposing than usual, like curious. So he was like he didn't know where to put his eyes. You know?
Oh. Yes, I understand. Yeah, he went to the beach. Yeah,
Yeah.
of course. So, did you see, look at them? They're exposed. Your haircut is a very popular haircut there, right?
Yeah.
How come everybody? I like it, but how come everybody has? Is there a name for that haircut?
그 머리카락 자른 스타일이 되게 웃긴데
This is the Irvine haircut right here.
근데 한국에서는 그 헤어컷 이름을 뭐라고 불러?
투블러 컷, 보울 컷.
Yeah. That's what I would have guessed. And you have a stage name, right?
Yeah.
비트박스 이름 있지.
Big man.
Big Man.
Yeah.
Ah. And why Big Man?
왜 빅맨으로?
My name is Yoon Dae-ung, and Dae means big, and Ung is man.
I see.
Big man.
By the way, you speak English very well. I mean, it's very hard to learn a different language, so I'm very impressed by that. And
영어
you're,
완전 잘해.
I keep forgetting. You have to say something.
그냥 영어 완전 잘해서 되게 보기 좋다.
And you're going to perform now, right?
Okay.
All of this is all coming from him, as you'll see. It's amazing.
Drink water.
Yes, drink water.
Go.
She's got blue cherry lips and blue angel eyes. Do she know exactly how to build tantalize? Remix.
Amazing.
Thank you so much.
Wow. That's incredible. Okay, you translate that. You do what he did. No, it's very hard. It's amazing. All right, I want to make sure that everybody in your school knows that you were here on television.
그 네 친구들한테 다 알려야 되잖아.
Okay,
여기 나왔는
let's bring out the gift.
선물 좀.
Well, what does that say?
봐봐.